North of San Antonio, in the town of Spring Branch, Texas, is this wonderful custom-built home at 774 Mockingbird Cove. This home has 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and is 1,266 square feet. Let's go inside. This home has a very clean layout. There's wood-like ceramic tile and quality millwork throughout. The kitchen is very spacious, with solid countertops and stained cabinetry. The master bedroom has a high ceiling and multiple windows for natural light. The master bathroom has a walk-in shower, along with modern fixtures and finishes. The second bedroom has a vaulted ceiling and is just as spacious as the master. The second bathroom is almost identical to the master bathroom. Out back is a lovely covered patio with a country view of the trees and the hill country wildlife. For a full report on this home or any home for sale, or if you'd like to do a free home search that's more accurate than what you find on the internet, log on to our website, give us a call, or send us a text. We're always happy to help.